PDP race, Kennedy Japan will take the mantle.
Yes, sir.
I have seen
some of you, this prophet of doom. It's high time people start walking to your churches, burning the churches down. Because me, as a Christian, there was no day my pastor has seen anything about politics. You people are in this country. You have seen John Mahama as a president, but you didn't see that he'll be incompetent. You have seen John Mahama as a president, but you didn't see that he'll come and cancel the free education that was helping the poor. You have seen John Mahama as a president. You didn't see that he will come and nurses will not get paid. You have seen John Mahama as a president. You didn't see that he will come and become the most incompetent president in this country. You have seen John Mahama as a president. You didn't see that he will come and people will be dying every day in accidents. You have seen John Mahama as a president, but you didn't see how to tell him to fix the road and fix the economy. Some of you are the problem. The reason why God has removed his eyes from Ghana is because of some of you, this prophet, and the sacrifices you are doing behind closed door, and the dooms you are bringing on this country. Some of us refuse to do social media because we are crying for this country because we don't even know what is going on. But every day you have seen what will happen in 2026, but you have not seen the color of your pants that you could wear this morning. Some of you, these prophets, God needs to start striking you guys dead. Because you are the doom of this country. You are the reason why the country is going to a drink. You only see calamity. You cannot see how we will fix the economy. You cannot see how we can get money for free education. For the poor to be able to afford better education. People are not eating 3 times a day. They have increased our rent by 100% because the country is not moving. Water is not flowing. We don't have light constantly. But you have seen who will be presidential candidate for MPP. We didn't send you. Did the MPP send you? Mind your business and mind your hair. See how your hair will grow. Or so. It's high time you start attacking some of you one by one because enough is enough with your prophecy and your foolishness and mingling in political issues. Did God send you? Which God is sending you only Ghanaian pastors to see who will be MPP? Did God send you people? Some of us are tired of you. You are making the youth not to go to God. You are making the youth not to believe in Christ because some of you are so wicked. You only look after your stomach and when you get a new car. So Jimmy, you are not a man of God, so I can insult you. Because God did not send you to bring this prophecy out. You see with Kennedy Japan. If he doesn't win, we come and burn your church. That is how we start. We have to start holding some of you accountable in this country. So train you say, get the fuck off.
Moses Zongo ni apedi for near the Akobo. Yes, was a sense I didn't in every war. Aden, a dear, na me de me ya ye nyanoma kamfo ni bi. E basia, omo ya no more support or more just because of Ashantis. But akwa banya ka enya asantefo akasa. Ya kamfo nyina akasa. Obi oka kan bia eka. Obi oya kan ni bia ka akwaba. Enso ebeba no ubekọ na amanfo omo ya kamfo ekuta ya kamfo na omo supporto. Bidi ye nya omo na omo nya do omo pe but yes ye ma ebunfu ye
do omo to afiewura omo nya kanfo.
Yes, okay, fine. Uba Ashanti regional. Yeah, and you would different tribes, will be a deep episode to be a jana diato. Yes, sending in a Yawahimfo, you were titra, Bobo Bra, or Muye, and my Omokoji Asante, my siwo, young for moving to Totoso. I think I just yes, son, young pet a different for near farm more. Musizongo, yes, son, yes, you paid for near farm more. So, yes, Sunday, yes, so was Santa land. Yes, son. Aden, yaso so sano ma we so san e ka kofo president kofo ebu eko 8 years we ye almost enkrafo so mo man land e wa Accra e man we a womra Ashanti region omo ko mo ye hemfafo omo ye hemfafo omo ye hemfafo omo de papa ni pesu ben le de papa ben omo ye hemfafo ni aso so mo so san na omo din sem hunu ja capital region capital na yede capital of Ghana na yede the papa be no say yi se bi akanfo nyina free Accra ye akanfo nyine free akra na yaka se omo metoto obi aso oton ne dan akanfo wo so omo ton mo dan a enkrafo dodo sen no benyes ka to atoto dan wo enkrafo no dodo sen ene benyes benya sika de ato yeso so omo so saa yeso so omo so saa aden omo kwa mo yen fafo aden ti na ade we so NDC ko aba power bia na Sunday mo we sorry NDC ba power bia na no ma we sorry ko for time ohini jan wo de to Accra Sports Stadium omo ye ya ko fa asesa NDC ba no ma we san ba no omo nim se ohini jan edin jan no oya asantini ba ohini jan no onya asantini ohini jan no onya asantini ba no omo so ya asantini ma ya ye from ye aye na Accra Sports Stadium aden said na highest you can sa same way ya Ashanti ready na ye de tuye ye ne say yes sana anka bon esuwe no all the other tribes na team up against Akans enya Akans kwa no omu nyina no enya Akans Ashantis omu nyina kwa aba na Asante for kasa omu nyina team up against Ashantis na omu di sansem hunwe me de bia meka eto da bia ye dija ne dumja so obi ye kikiki no afa kikiki enhia na onyai enti mo me nya wo mo omo sesa no so omo se yesu omo asase so omo sesa no yeso omo pa hase yeso ye wo nkofu ye wodin bebre betima sesa no abi cha yesu yan sesa ye de
we no camp ntuduma gawon Ghana fo ayedin o Ghana fo ayedin sa de we o mitimi traffic ase adenti na Ghana fo omo ne NPP enyi ne yi kura NPP ba edi nyuma pa be gu akwan mu bibi kakra bi Ghana fo be suma kasa sama NDC the propaganda bi gira twitwa ntro no mso asom Ghana fo eti enkosi da bai hwe sadi we ya e ka de say enkranfo yi enye we ni hia wo muti mu nsase ama I can say Igbo for enu ho asem na wo se muka ho asem enu na hia ma mu nchiri ma wo enya akwa aba na ebo ho no a mo kosesa na afiri ho no even at all airport na esi ho no enkanye mo japade also mu se nyo mo japade resource for eba ye emputuduma on kira ho no nkanfo mu sa omu contribute ben omu ye fa ho sa enkran a yasiesie ho no omu sa sika na firi hin yakoje bosia ye de ne ekọ gibosia ne ba e de be sa emputuduma enkran ho no yasiesie ho na omu fi se e kan se eno no ye omu japade no ayi o mai na japade eno na ye ye enkranfo mu de koko enkranfo mu asa so ye tugo afa yekoka mu se di atam se mu de monsase gold wom da muntu mu de nyam monsase de mu yama monse monsase mu de munyimi yate ba ye koje ye discard ba de ye putuduma na mu di e kan se mu be kanta se ye bodia enyam ajapade na Ghana ha na ya na enima bi ha na akanfo no na o ma ye din na Ghana yi akanfo firi mu Ghana akasai ha ye akanfo firi Ghana mu Ghana akasai akaze wo tiny ahwo ya ni Jimmy ade what time manipa Jimmy o what time manipa Jimmy papa akwa gira akaze say ye fa we mebo e kan say obake broni be nani mu obake mimi to obake metiase ha the voice wo no kasa be na unim for ebia wo abrochi na wo ba uduru ayi na say bia obi mu sa say obake chechire mu a ubechire mu say aha ya fa we amebo hanka unim say we kura no obake ya kwa ba so atiase sa ayi akan say Kwame Nkrumah museum na wo ho no na do ba ye no wa mesiesia enka eni se enka ne eye manika mo pesa mo de mo ayi ko bo isamfo be no ha traba yi nko a se nka santefo ne koye sa adie we aka mo behu social media no so ye say we ni koye no ye yi akwa ba ni free ho no enye ye say eye bi da edie hifo ntia asante fo ntia because ye kasa me say no e fi say asante fo nko an ka twi kasa eso nya asante fo nko e ya kan kasa twi kasa ya kan kasa enya asante fo nko kasa obi ti ebrumam wo gina social media ye de say twi kasa wo ko abrochi obi ani twi kasa kwasiampanyi ho na ani twi kasa Ghana busabroni akwa ebi French speaking country krana omo krana ene omo nya yi krana omo onim se oba Ghana kasa osua ka ba ebe ntem ayi twi kasa broni onim gise broni wa be tran ni wasua nkra kasa dodo sei abrofo dodo sei na nim kra kasa so what you say moti was I can say minister na oye can say tourism ayido oso onim hohwe efai ala minister ni nim hohwe enya nkran hene omo hene na present ade wo ayi enkran hene on na present sadie we say wo parliament o say ohino and wo present na minister of tourism si oni we hu bia and everything ayo munya samfo no ne wota hunu ni Jimmy sam na no mo ye ya Ghana ho na we nka ntuntunwuma ho omo sire wo mo nka puntu